Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Hassan and today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy stir fry recipe. This is a great dish to make on the fly when you don't want to do tedious cooking, so check it out. First things first, sauce for the stir fry. Combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, brown sugar, a little bit of cornstarch, and black pepper. Mix these ingredients together and place it to the side. Next, slice garlic. For the vegetable choice, we have baby bok choy, or as they call it, choy. This is a very delicious and crispy vegetable, and it's paired beautifully with sliced shabu beef. Quick and fast to cook, and very simple. Let's head to the wok. Heat on. Get that pan nice and hot. Coat the wok with oil. It's okay to be generous with it. Once that oil is nice and hot, stir fry your beef. Break all that beef apart. Once your beef is cooked, set it to the side. Wipe down the pan. Add oil and let the pan come back to temp. For the choy, simply slice it in half. Make sure when you clean it, you are removing all of that dirt. Let it soak in water if necessary. Once the pan is hot again, toss your sliced garlic and mix that around. 5 to 10 seconds. Next, bok choy in. Add your sauce. Mix it all together. Flip your bok choy. As you start cooking the bok choy, it starts getting smaller in size. The bok choy takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes over high heat. Once your bok choy has whittled down, add back that cooked beef and mix. Move those ingredients around and let everything blend together. Finally, finish off with fresh crushed black pepper. And that's how you make a beautiful bok choy and beef stir fry. Until next time, peace.